Kidney stones can cause immense discomfort and pain. But what if there was a natural solution that could help crush these stones? Hello, my fantastic YouTube family. It's always a joy to welcome you back to our channel, your go-to place for all things herbal and natural. We're here to share our passion for wellness, and we're super excited to have you with us on this exciting journey. So, without further ado, let us jump right in and discover the wonders of herbal kidney stone crusher together. Hey there! If this is your first time visiting our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. This way, you'll never miss our exciting new content. In the lush, tropical rainforests of the Amazon, grows a plant that holds the power to combat kidney stones. This plant is known as Chanca Piedra, or stone breaker. Introducing Chanca Piedra Kidney Stone Crusher. This powerful herbal remedy not only helps to break down kidney stones, but also aids in gallbladder health and detoxification. Chanca Piedra works by promoting the body's natural elimination of toxins, supporting overall kidney health and function. But the power of Chanca Piedra doesn't stop there. This incredible plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. From supporting liver health to combating inflammation, Chanca Piedra is a versatile herbal remedy that can help improve your overall health. We truly value your insights and experiences. If you're aware of any additional benefits of Chanca Piedra that we haven't covered in this video, we'd love to hear from you. Please share your knowledge in the comments section below. Your contribution could be incredibly helpful to our community. Thank you. Why wait? Unleash the power of Chanca Piedra Kidney Stone Crusher today and take a step towards better health. You can visit our website for our Chanca Piedra drops crafted in the USA. The link is in the description below. But as with any herbal remedy, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. You can visit our website to book an appointment with our healthcare provider. Thank you for joining us today on Heavenly Herbals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up to appreciate us for more informative videos on natural and homeopathic remedies. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.